Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Again. Today I will show you how to freeze panes option in Excel, in fact in MacBook as well as Windows. When you deal with large amount of data, there are situations where you need to view different parts of the same spreadsheet. So where you need to scroll up and down or you need to scroll to the left or right where the whole screen in the Excel cannot fit your data because the data is more. So for an instance here, I have the salesperson's name in the column A and the associated columns contains the sales recorded by each of the customers. Okay. So for example, I need to see the sales done by Neil in the year 2000. I need to scroll to the right side to go to the column year 2000 to identify the sales done by him where I couldn't identify now because I lost my reference column. In fact, my column header is missed. So I couldn't identify like which of the sales record is that which is belonging to Neil. Same situation can occur when you scroll downwards. For instance, you need to see the sales of a particular person like John Castle. Now you miss the year. You cannot refer to the which year. Like for example, you need to see for year 2000 same, but you don't know which of this column is referring to 2000 year. So the fix for this issue is freezing the panes. Excel has a predefined sets of options to freeze the panes. Like one is for the top row and one is for the first column. For example, if I go to this option and freeze the first row, see what happens. If I try to scroll to the right side, you can see that the salesperson's name, the column that remains there. When this freeze plane is activated, you can see between A and B a line is coming across, slight line is coming down. So now if you want to freeze the row now, you need to unfreeze it first, and if you select the freeze the top row, hope you as you know, the top row is containing the sales data field. Like it's not the header. Header comes in the row number 2. So if I select the top freeze top row, it is not going to work out. Like if you scroll down here, the intended field, intended row is not getting frozen. So for that, what you need to do is first unfreeze it, normalize it back to the default setting. Now select the row below the field which you need to freeze. Like I select the row, so I need to freeze column number 2. So I need to select the row number 3 and select the option freeze plane. No, you cannot use the standard options. Like you need to go for the customized one like freeze plane. Click that. So now what happens? Select it. If you scroll down now, sorry, it's not been activated. Just hold. Select it again. Freeze planes. Now you see, if you scroll down, you can see the top 2 rows are getting frozen or visible. But the actual requirement comes where you need to freeze your row column as well as rows. This can be 2 3 rows downward, maybe 2 3 columns to the right. So here what you need to do is unfreeze it. So here I need to freeze the row, the column A and the row number 2. So now for that, now you can see the cell number B3. selector, that cell field refers to the row just above it and the column just left to it. So when you select that one and click on freeze planes, you can see a line coming here and here as well. So this will make sure that both the indented fields have been locked, which will help you to view the accurate information. So hope you guys liked my video and keep subscribing, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.